yours si Bukton, Madam. Please screenshot, Madam Annalyn. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Madam Jeneline Financial Man, yours si Atuk, Madam Jeneline. Please screenshot, Dam. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, Madam, for only 60. Madam July, yours na si Bisita. Please screenshot, Madam July. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Second minor, Madam Ara Tanya. Dam, next na Madam, 60. Oy, Dam, large to XL. Up to extra large, 60 pesos. Guwapa kay daw, very malamig siya suotin. Mayan, malamig. Mine, malamig, up to XL. For only 40 pesos. Mayan, malamig, up to XL 40, malamig. Next na Madam.
Mine, malamig. Madam Florida Carbonell, yours is si Comet. Please go screenshot 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Madam Florida. Dam, this one, large to XL. Large to XL, 40 pesos. Mine ice. Mine ice, Madam. Large to XL, 40 pesos. Mine ice, Madam. Mine ice, large to XL, 40 pesos. Ice, next na Madam.
Mayan, Ayas.
Madam Florida Carbonell, new minor po kayo, Madam. Please send us your complete details in your 100 pesos down payment. Para di ma-cancel yung item at para makapag-mine pa sa next, Madam. One time only, deductible to your invoice. Please check your messenger, Madam Florida Carbonell. Meron po kaming piname sa inyo, Madam.
Next na Madam.
Down this one, medium to semi-large. Medium to semi-large by 40 pesos. Mine Cortina. Mine Cortina, Madam. Medium to semi-large by 40 pesos. Mine Cortina for only 40. Next na, Madam.
Mayan, Cortina. Madam Bing Villalon, yours si malamig. Ang ganda ng tela nito, Dam. Please screenshot 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next na, Madam, for only 40 pesos, up to medium. Up to medium, 40. Mine Abangan. Mine Abangan, up to medium, for only 40 pesos. Mayan Abangan, 10 over 10 ang pagka-black. Bagay siya sa small to medium, Madam. Mayan Abangan, 14. Next na, Madam.
Mine Abangan. Ice, Madam. Madam left, Julie Gon. Yours is si Ice. Please go screenshot. Madam left. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Second minor, Madam Annalyn Aldinese. Dam, medium to semi-large. Medium to semi-large. Mine V. Mine V, Madam. Medium to semi-large. For only 40 pesos. Mine V. Mine V, medium to semi-large. Next, Madam.
Mayan Vin.
Madam Jassy Chan, yours is si Cortina, Madam. Please screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, Madam. Down this one, medium. Medium, Madam, for 40 pesos. Mine Pasco. Mine Pasco, Madam. Medium for 40 pesos. Mayan Pasco for only 40. Next, Madam.
Mayan Pasko. Madam Jazzy Chan, yours si Abangan, Madam Jazzy. Please screenshot daw. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oo nga, Madam Alma, kasi na meron tayong meron sa ating new bundle, ibang bundle po ito daw. Very bongga ang mga laman. Super bago po, Madam. Dam, malapit na tayo, Dam. Malapit na mag-end ang ating sale. Dam, up to large, Madam, for only 40. 10 over 10 ang pagka-black, up to large. 40 pesos, mine quality. Mine quality, up to large. For only 40 pesos, Madam. 10 over 10 ang pagka-black. Mayan, quality, medium to large bagay. Quality, next naman.
My quality, Dam Semi-Mad, Madam. Semi-Mad, Madam, for only 40 pesos. My zipper. My zipper, Madam, Semi-Mad, for only 40 pesos. Mayan zipper for only 40 pesos. Mayan zipper. Next na, Madam.
Mayan zipper.
Down this one.
Kung ano yung
Semi-Mad.
Pasko. Chinese. Ano si Chinese, Madam? Uy, hello, Madam Maria Gracia. Thank you so much, Madam. Madam Jazzy Chan, yours is equality. Please go screenshot, Madam Jazzy. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Second minor, Madam Bing Villalon. Madam left, ano po yung imamine niyo, Madam?
Down this one, Semi-Med.
Semi-med, madam, for 40 pesos. Mine jogging. Mine jogging, madam. Semi-med for 40 pesos. Mine jogging for only 40. Next, madam.
Mayan jogging. Oy, dam, this one. Ang ganda. Dam, kahit pag-liter siya, dam, hindi siya makati. Up to large. Up to large for only 40 pesos. Mine dancer. Mine dancer, up to large for only 40 pesos, madam. Mayan dancer, up to large 40. Next, madam.
My dancer, Madam Leah, yours is a zipper. Please go screenshot. 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Second minor, Madam Toledo Gualberta. O, now this one, large sa lalaki, XL to double XL sa babae, Madam. Mine oversize. Mine oversize, large sa lalaki, XL to double XL sa babae for only 40 pesos. Mine oversize. Next one.
Mayan oversize.
Oh, down this one, medium to semi-large. Medium to semi-large for 40 pesos. Mine C. Mine C, madam. Medium to semi-large for 40 pesos. Mayan C. Next, madam.
Mayan CM.
Madam Irene Falseso, yours is si jogging, madam. Please go screenshot. 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Next, madam.
Madam Marie Bohol, yours is si dancer, Madam Marie. Please ka screenshot, madam. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, madam, for only 60. Dam 10 over 10 ang pagka-black. Dam tattered ang kanyang sleeves. Up to semi-large. 10 over 10 ang pagka-black. Up to semi-large for only 40 pesos. Mayan. Mayan, 1, 2, 3. Mine, 1, 2, 3. Medium to semi-large for only 40 pesos. Mayan, 1, 2, 3. Next, madam.
Madam Emily Burgos, yours is the oversize. Please go screenshot. 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Madam Jessa Benz Talabo, yours is C. Please go screenshot. 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Next, madam. O, down this one, semi-med, madam. Semi-med, Mayan Bola. Mayan Bola, semi-med, madam, for only 60 pesos. Mayan Bola, semi-med for only 40 pesos. Mayan Bola. Next, madam.
Mayan Bola.
Down this one, medium. Medium, madam, for 40 pesos. Mine aso. Mine aso, madam. Medium for 40 pesos. Mine aso for only 40. Next, madam.
Mayan aso. Madam Jeneline Panonsyal, madam naman na po si Abangan. Pero kay Atop, madam, mo ba na si Black si Atop, no? Pa-check lang si item kin. Yes, Madam Jeneline, ikaw